What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
My phone got stolen from work.
Really?
And when I got it back, it was cracked and damaged, and now it's glitching, and now it's disabled.
Wow, so many things happened to the phone.
Yeah, it was frozen. We don't know what he did to it.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Do you want the good news or bad news?
Oh, I'll take the bad news first.
You want to take the bad news first?
Yeah.
So, when they stole it, I think they stole your information too. That's why the phone is, like, there is nothing in there. Yeah. Unfortunately.
Okay.
Try it. Your phone is ready, miss.
In 2 hours.
I was joking that time.
Oh my God, thank you. Yes. Did they do any other damage to the?
I didn't see that, but
Just-
no. After 3 hours, you
I'll
can
be able
get
to use
everything
it.
back.
Oh
Yes.
my God, you made me scared.
That's what I'm like, what?
I know, I got scared.
When you said
That
that,
you don't-
I'm like thinking, what information?
It don't make sense, right?
Yeah, I'm like,
No,
what
I got
information?
nervous.
What information?
Yeah, I'm
they're
like,
gonna
what
steal?
information there?
My contacts, my photos, everything. That was a good one. Oh my God, yes. Yes.
You happy?
Yes, thank you.